So hello everyone, welcome to top 100 1000 question bank series. My name is Kripasindu Kormukar and I welcome you all to the chemistry where chemistry is easy. Okay. So the long wavelength limit of Lyman series in the spectrum of hydrogen is dash nanometer. Rydberg constant has been given. Okay. So now, as like the previous examples that we have done, I hope सब लोगों ने उसका आंसर सही दिए हो. The long wavelength of the Lyman series, right? Now, what is the formula for the wavelength and what is the formula for the frequency, right? So now just write down at first. First, the frequency is the most important term, right? The frequency nu bar can be represented as a 1 upon lambda. Wait, what is the lambda? Lambda is equals to lambda is equals to wavelength. So in the question, you have to get the value of the wavelength. Now just try this particular question and give the answer of this question into the comment section because giving the answer is very important. Okay. Now this value can be represented as a RH at the same time 1 divided by into 1 divided by n1 square minus 1 divided by n2 square. Okay, great. So whenever you have written this particular point, right, can you please tell me, so for the long wavelength means, wavelength is long means, what will be the value of the frequency? Then frequency value must be short. So frequency value must be less. So for this particular criteria, and for the Lyman series, starting point will be n1 is equals to 1, right? For the Lyman series, the value of the n1 would be 1. At the same time, since the question is being asking that frequency is less, so frequency का value less होगा तभी whenever this value would be n2 equals to 2. Are you getting this point? So can you please tell me everyone what is the value of this if you put down the value of all of the things, right? I'll not be doing the calculations, so I'm just writing down the answer of this particular questions. Okay. So why we are taking the 2? Because in the question it is being asking for the long wavelength. That means the frequency value will be less. This is the very important point. Are you getting this point? So finally, you are understanding that the value, so the long wavelength value. So I'm just writing down the answer of this particular question. So wavelength value will be coming here is the 0.1215 nanometer. In this particular question, this involves the unit conversion also. I hope all of you have done that. Now just see. Now just let me know how many of you have written down this answer correctly. Okay. The correct answer for this particular question should be the B. This is a very important question, especially for the GATE examinations. क्योंकि तुम्हें पता है GATE examination में ऐसे type के questions बहुत ही ज़्यादा आता है, right? So I hope you are preparing for the examinations very well. All the best. Okay.